Hey, so if you want to use the HubSpot chat tool in 2026 to talk with website visitors in real time and capture more leads, this full guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot. Log in using your HubSpot email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure your account has access to the conversations or service tools. From the top menu, go to Service, then click on Chat Flows or Live Chat, depending on your HubSpot version. This is where you create and manage chat tools for your website. Click Create Chat Flow and choose the type you want. You can select live chat if you want real-time conversations, or bot if you want automated replies. For beginners, live chat is a good place to start. Next, customize the chat appearance. Add a welcome message, choose the chat name, and set the avatar. Keep the message friendly and clear so visitors feel comfortable starting a conversation. Yeah, first impressions matter here. Now decide where the chat will appear. You can show it on all website pages or only on specific pages like landing pages or pricing pages. Targeting the right pages improves engagement. After that, assign conversations to users or teams. This ensures chats are routed to the right person and no message goes unanswered. Set availability hours so visitors know when your team is online. Outside working hours, you can display a message or collect contact details instead. Once everything looks good, publish the chat flow. HubSpot will now activate the chat widget on your website automatically. When visitors start chatting, messages appear in the conversations inbox. From there, you can reply, assign chats, add notes, or convert conversations into contacts or tickets. HubSpot also saves chat history in contact timelines, so you always have context for future follow-ups. And that's it. By setting up chat flows, customizing messages, assigning conversations, and monitoring the inbox, you can use the HubSpot chat tool to connect with visitors and capture leads effectively. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials.